I'm going to argue that this is one of the most desirable 1973 Corvettes there are in existence. First of all, it's a 1 year where they had a rubber bumper in front, chrome bumper in back. This one's a 454, number matched throughout, by the way, factory red, 4-speed with air conditioning in a convertible, tilt telescopic, power windows, AM, FM, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, ground up restored. I don't think it's missing anything. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 collector cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with all the information, pricing, pictures, videos, finance info. And there's a QR code on the screen. You can scan at any time, or a link in the description. That'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, very nicely restored car. When I walked in this room and seen it sitting here, even I mean, obviously I've seen the car before. I know the car, but just seeing it again, I was like, wow, it looks great. So everything is smooth. All the body lines are real nice. Headlights vacuum open and close very nicely. The front rubber bumper is in excellent shape. The hood is in excellent shape. All of this is straight, clean. I went around the car not finding a nick or a crack or anything like that. All this is excellent. Even the jambs are painted very nicely. Weather strips are replaced. Shuts very nicely. All these gaps are right on the money. All this is looking good. You got the nice little dovetail here. All this is clean, straight. I would joke with people and tell them that's for the trunk. That's actually a factory alarm. I don't think that works. I just assume it does. I never tried it. All this is excellent. Look at down here, gloss red paint. All the lines are nice and sharp and clean. Again, real nice jambs. Shuts very nicely. So the body and paint's in excellent shape. It has a black convertible top. Pictures of that on our website. That's new. All the weather strips are replaced. The windshield's in good shape. The chrome emblems and trim all looking very nice. Again, rubber bumper. Not even the tip of it is nicked or touched. The wheels, they actually did come out with these wheels in 1973, and then they recalled them right away. They had issues with them. These are reproductions, but they were available in 1973. And these look like they're new. They're highly polished. The little inserts are black. The center caps look new. They're wearing BFGoodrich tires that look like new as well. This has the correct antenna. And as it comes around, you'll see the tail lights, the bumpers, the license plate bracket, all that's in excellent shape. So what a beauty of a car. Let's open it up. It's just as good inside. All right, when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon to be notified when videos are posted. Not only would I tell people that lock in the back is a trunk, I'd also tell them the door handles on top of the doors are ashtrays. I had a girl believe me once. Yeah, jambs are real clean. Weather strips are nice. Sill plates are new. Door panel looks brand new. The whole interior is very, very tidy. Nice clean dash pad, the vents, the instruments, 59,000 miles. I have nothing to prove that, but it's very believable. The car is just exceptional. All this is tidy and clean. Original AM FM radio. We have original manual, a reproduction manual, and all the other stuff that goes with it. Again, all nice and clean. The kick panels are real nice. Carpet front to back was installed really well. Has these embroidered mats. This is all very nice. Heater control panels real good. Has the correct reverse lockout shifter. Power windows. Leather armrest. The seats are re-cushioned. See how nice and firm they are? They look like brand new. Reupholstered with the comfort weave upholstery. And again, look at the convertible top frame and the carpet. Everything's real nice. All the interior lights work even back there. Take a peek under the lid too. Look how nicely finished that all is. So then the mirror, visors, pillars, all in great shape. And then we got a tilt telescopic wheel as well. So really a loaded up car. And a 4-speed with air conditioning was somewhat rare back then in any car. And then to combine it with a big block and a convertible, I don't know the production numbers, but it's going to be low. So that is the original VIN number matching 454, the correct casting codes, dates. It all looks real good. All the proper components, the valve covers, the manifolds, carburetor, the ignition with the shielding over it. Even has a cowl induction system. And then we got power brakes. So it's a new booster, new master. Got power steering hiding underneath there. And everything's proper. The alternator, the shroud, the fan, the brackets, air conditioning system is actually working. It's a new compressor. Under the hood, it has the hood insulation. See that rubber seal matches to here, mates up to here, and the air comes in through the cowl. So very, very complete, clean, proper engine compartment loaded with some good stuff. Michael's going to demonstrate it. We'll see in a little bit.
Secondaries opening up there. 454 is running right. Steering feeling tight. Of course, it's a 4-speed, so that's a blast. Toss that around. Clicking effortlessly into the next gear, whether it be an upshift or a downshift. Fantastic. Oh, and we got the air conditioner on too. Forgot to mention that. Let's see what she's got. Alright. And just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Heck yeah. What a fun time. Top down. Beautiful red Corvette. I don't know how you can have much more fun than this. But yeah, the fact that it's got the telescopic wheel, that's a big upgrade. Kind of on the shorter side, so I really like the telescopic wheel. And yeah, what a great performing car. Don't take my word for it. Come take it for a spin yourself. You're always more than welcome here at the museum. Just give us about a day's notice, and the salesman will have the car ready for you. Other than that, check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath the car is just as good as the rest of the car. It looks like a full restoration. The frame, all the chassis components, all smooth, painted a semi-gloss black. It's independent suspension front and back, and it all looks fresh. The ball joints, the bushings, the AC Delco shocks, front and back, it all looks fresh. Same thing with the steering. The steering ram underneath there, so there's a sticker on it, that's new. Disc brakes at all 4 wheels, that all looks fresh too. I mean, the calipers, the lines, the hoses, the e-brake assembly's all hooked up. Has a factory correct dual exhaust with the correct mufflers, the tips going out through the valance. Looking up at the motor, it's spotless Chevy orange, proper starter. VIN number matching original M21 Muncie 4-speed, all clean and fresh. Rebuilt drive shaft. Goes back to the original rear end, which has the right codes and dates, and it's a 355 posi. Now the fiberglass floors are pristine, all clean. It has the spare tire carrier, so throughout. This car is exceptionally clean. And again, factory red, number match, big block, 4-speed, posi, air, steering, brakes, windows, wheels. I don't think there's a more desirable 73 Corvette out there. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to get your Corvette delivered home. Thanks for watching.